So students, uh, in earlier part, Proclus helped trying to help that lion, how he ran away from his cruel master. Okay, because he was a slave and he did not want to serve such a cruel master. So one day Androclus ran away from his master and he took shelter in a forest where he found that there was a lion who was injured, who was wounded, and therefore Androclus decided to help that lion. So in this video, in this part, we are going to continue the lesson. Androclus took the paw in his left hand. So Androclus very bravely took the paw of that lion, left hand, in his left hand, and deftly, very skillfully and very quickly he pulled out the thorn. तो काटा त्याने त्या सिंहाच्या त्या पोटातून बाहेर काढला. Then tearing a piece of his clothing, the kind man bound the lion's injured paw. And what he did then, he just tore फाडला त्याने आपला कपड्याचा एक तुकडा फाडला. And this kind man, because we know that Androclus was very kind, very gentle, very courteous person, so he just even showed his kindness toward that wild beast also. So what he did, he just tore the piece of his clothing and bound up the lion's injured paw. आणि त्याने त्या जखमी सिंहाच्या त्या पंजाला त्याने ती पट्टी बांधली. To his surprise and wonder, the lion then licked his arm as if to show gratitude. And to his surprise and wonder, he got surprise and wonder. त्याला आश्चर्य वाटलं when that lion licked, जेव्हा तो सिंह जो होता तो अँड्रोक्लसच्या हाताला चाटू लागला, as if he just wanted to show his gratitude. जणू काही तो आभार व्यक्त करताय, as if that lion is actually saying thank you for your help. Androclus remained with the lion till it could walk again. So Androclus also remained with that lion till it could walk again. सिंहाला चालता येण्यापर्यंत Androclus त्याच्या सोबत थांबला. He would hunt in the forest and share his food with the helpless beast. तो जंगलात जायचा, शिकार करायचा, and what he used to do, he just gather whatever food he got, he just share that food with the helpless beast because it was helpless. That lion was helpless because his paw was injured and he could not hunt. So Androclus used to give him food. Every day he would clean and dress the lion's wound. दररोज तो त्याची जखम पुसायचा, साफ करायचा, त्याला पट्टी बांधायचा. Soon the lion was able to move about. लवकरच तो सिंह चालू फिरू लागला. Many times it followed Androclus whenever he went. आणि जिथे कुठे Androclus जायचा, that lion used to follow him. In the meanwhile, या दरम्यान, Androclus' master had complained to the authorities. Androclusचा जो master होता, so what he did, he complained to the authorities that one of his slave Androclus had run away, and therefore that those authority, the people in authority, they sent soldiers in directions to capture Androclus. तर सगळ्या दिशेला अँड्रोक्लसला पकडायला सैनिक पाठवले गेले. They searched for him high and low everywhere, but couldn't find him. त्यांनी सगळीकडे त्याला शोधलं, but they could not find Androclus. At last, finally, they came to the forest where Androclus lived. Finally ते तिथे आले जिथे Androclus राहत होता, त्या जंगलामध्ये. It so happened that Androclus had gone out alone that day and the lion rested near the cave. त्या दिवशी असं झालं की Androclus एकटाच चालला गेला and that lion was resting near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldiers. दोघांनाही त्या सैनिकांनी पकडलं. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androclus in the chains in a prison. The lion was also caged. So what happened? Androclusला त्यांनी चेनमध्ये टाकलं, चेन बांधून टाकलं त्याला, आणि तो जो लॉयन होता त्याला सुद्धा त्यांनी पिंजऱ्यात टाकून दिलं. केज मीन्स पिंजरा. In those days, people who were found to be guilty the serious crime were fed to the wild beast as punishment. So त्या काळामध्ये असं होतं की जो कोणी गिल्टी असायचा, आरोपी असायचा, एखादा सिरियस क्राईम केला आणि पळून जाणे, इट वॉज अ व्हेरी सिरियस क्राईम. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट रिझन, आणि तसं व्हायचं की असं क्राईम करणाऱ्याला जंगली प्राण्याच्या समोर टाकून दिलं जायचं मारून, पनिशमेंट म्हणून. So running away from one's master was a very serious crime at that time. Therefore Androclus too was to thrown away to the wild beast. आणि म्हणून अँड्रोक्लसला सुद्धा जंगली पशुपक्ष्यांसमोर प्राण्यांसमोर फेकलं जाणार होतं. On the appointed day, on the decided day, ठरलेल्या दिवशी, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his place. And तो जो एम्परर होता, सम्राट, तो त्या सर्कसमध्ये आला जिथे हे सगळं घडणार होतं. And he took his place. The crowd cheered loudly. गर्दीसुद्धा जोराजोराने चीअर करत होती, ओरडत होती, लाऊडली चीअर करत होती. द ट्रम्पेटर्स ब्ल्यू द ट्रम्पेट. द ट्रम्पेटर म्हणजे तुतारी वाजवणाऱ्यांनी तुताऱ्या वाजवल्या. ट्रम्पेट मीन्स तुतारी. अँड अँड्रोक्लस वॉज ब्रॉट इन टू द एरिना. एरिना अ ग्राउंड सराउंडेड बाय सीट्स. स्टेडियमसारखा एखादा भाग असतो, मध्ये एखादा गेम किंवा एखादी छोटी मोठी लढाई केली जाते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एरिना. सो अँड्रोक्लस वॉज ब्रॉट इन टू द एरिना. हीज चेन्स वर अनबाउंड. त्याला ज्या चेनने बांधलं होतं त्या चेन काढून टाकल्या. He felt weak and dismayed. He was very dismayed. He was very sad. He was very weak because he was actually starved. He was certain that it was his last day of his life, and he obviously knew that it was his last day. Why? Because he would certainly, you can say, throw. They are going to just throw him before the wild beast, and that wild beast is just going to eat him. So he understood. Androclus understood that this day was his last day. At the opposite end, the gate was raised and the ferocious lion, समोरच्या भागाला दुसऱ्या एंडमधून एक गेट ओपन झाला आणि त्या गेटमधून काय झालं, अ फेरोशियस लॉयन, एक खूपच हिंसक, खूपच वाईल्ड आणि डेंजरस, फियर्स असा जो लॉयन होता, इट वॉज रिलीज्ड इन टू द एरिना. इट हॅड बीन केप्ट हंग्री टू मेक इट मोर फेरोशियस अँड इट वॉज डेलिबरेटली केप्ट हंग्री. मुद्दाम त्या सिंहाला उपाशी ठेवलं होतं जेणेकरून तो आणखी आक्रमक झाला पाहिजे, फेरोशियस झाला पाहिजे. Androclus was filled with fear, but he put up his brave front. Androclus, when Androclus saw that, he was completely afraid, but he put up his brave front. But he showed that he is not afraid. Okay. The lion saw Androclus and rushed towards him, bounding and roaring. When that lion saw Androclus, he just started running towards Androclus, bounding and roaring. He was just jumping. He was running very quickly and roared. बट सडनली इट स्टॉप्ड अँड इट्स अ ट्रॅक्स. पण मध्येच तो थांबला पटकन आल्यानंतर. देन इट मूव्ड स्लोली फॉरवर्ड. नंतर तो हळूहळू अँड्रोक्लसकडे जायला लागला. ऑल इट्स अ रेज सीम्स टू बी हॅव मेल्टेड. त्याचा जेवढाही राग होता, रेज मीन्स राग, इट मेल्टेड. तो जणू काही वितळला होता, शांत झाला होता. Androclus saw this too. Androclus also saw this. Okay. Each friend recognized the other because it was the same lion to whom Androclus helped in the jungle or helped in the forest. So therefore Androclus and the lion both recognized each other. दोघांनी एकमेकांना recognize केलं. Recognize, ओळखणे. Okay. They recognized each other. To everyone's amazement, surprise, the lion bounded towards Androclus. तो धावत अँड्रोक्लसकडे आला पुन्हा. बट वेन इट रीच्ड हिम इट बिगॅन टू पर अँड रब इट्स अ नोज अगेन्स्ट हिम. पण जेव्हा तो आला तर त्याने परिंग केलं. पर मीन्स ॲक्च्युली इट्स अ टिपिकॅलिटी ऑफ कॅट, बिकॉज यू कॅन से that lion is also the belongs to the family of cat, so they always purr, they always rub their nose against him. ठीक आहे. तर त्याने सुद्धा जसं एखादी कॅट असते ती जसं आपल्या मालकाला, आपल्या घरच्या लोकांना परिंग करते, पर्टिक्युलर साऊंड क्रिएट करते. ओके. आणि रब करते आपलं नाक. ओके. आपली मान त्या व्यक्तीच्या हातापायाला घासते, जस्ट टू शो द लव. सो द सेम थिंग दॅट लॉयन डिड विथ अँड्रोक्लस. अँड्रोक्लस हग द लॉयन. अँड्रोक्लसने सुद्धा त्याला मिठी मारली. ही वेप्ट विथ अ रिलीफ अँड जॉय. ही स्टार्टेड क्राईंग. तो रडला आनंदाने. आनंदाने रडला. तो दुःखाने रडला का? नाही. ही वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी. वाय? बिकॉज ही understood that he is going to die, but suddenly he found the lion before him was none other than his friend, and therefore with relief, with joy, he started crying. The audience, included the emperor, watched this tender sight in the great wonder. सगळ्यांनी, तिथल्या ऑडियन्सनी, त्या सम्राटांनी, all of them have seen such a very tender sight. एक नाजूक दृश्य त्यांनी बघितलं. And they got completely wonder. They got surprised. People began to cheer Androclus and asked for his release. सगळे लोक अँड्रोक्लसच्या नावाने ओरडू लागले आणि म्हणू लागले की त्याला सोडून द्या. The emperor asked Androclus to explain the lion's strange behavior. When he heard the whole story, the emperor was also moved by, got emotional, have a strong feeling. एम्पररने विचारलं की हा जो लॉयन आहे, या लॉयनने असं बिहेव का बरं केलं? जनरली लॉयन असं करणार नाही. दॅट लॉयन वॉज supposed to kill Androclus and eat him. But what happened over here? That particular lion showed the friendship, showed the love towards Androclus. Okay. So the emperor asked him what is the reason behind that. Androclus explained the whole story, and the emperor also got surprised and he got moved and by the gratitude and friendship between the man and the beast. ग्रॅटिट्यूड अँड फ्रेंडशिप जी होती, आभार, मैत्री दोन मित्रांमध्ये, एक व्यक्ती आणि दुसरा आहे जंगली पशु, या दोघांमधली मैत्री बघून द एम्परर ऑल्सो गॉट इमोशनल. ही ऑर्डर्ड दॅट अँड्रोक्लस शुड बी सेट फ्री. ही वुड नो लॉंगर बी अ स्लेव. द एम्परर suddenly declared that Androcles is not now a slave, he should be set free. He would no longer be a slave. When the emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, emperor also asked Androcles, what you want, what kind of reward you want from me. On that Androcles replied that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. त्याने म्हटलं मला काहीच नाही पाहिजे माझ्यासाठी, माझा जो मित्र आहे लॉयन त्यालासुद्धा तुम्ही फ्री करा, त्यालासुद्धा तुम्ही मुक्त करा. द टू फ्रेंड्स वेंट बॅक टू द फॉरेस्ट टू लिव्ह अ फ्री लाईफ. आणि दोन्हीही मित्र जंगलामध्ये जे फ्री लाईफ आहे, आपलं जे स्वतंत्र जीवन आहे ते जगायला निघून गेले. सो स्टुडंट्स, आय होप दॅट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल स्टोरी. थँक्यू.